So here I am on the Car Fulham Group stand here at MACH 2024 in the hospitality zone here. I'm going to give you a quick walk around the stand and show you all the different technologies that we've brought along with us. So please join me. First of our brands here, we've got ProLink UK, where we've got all of our data collection software on display here. People can come along and see how the technology works. Ideal little location for that. Coming into SYS, we've got all of our Stratasys 3D printing technology. Firstly, we've brought along our Origin system, which is perfect for end-use parts, high resolution, high accuracy components. We've also brought along 3 of our FDM systems, including the beast here, the F900, which is well known in the industry for producing high quality jigs, fixtures, strong end-use parts with the carbon fibre and high temperature resistance. We've also got the F370 CR and the Fortus 450 from the FDM range. We've got some of our Polyjet parts in the cabinet there, including some of the colour stuff and printing on fabrics, as well as some examples here inside the J35, which is a Polyjet technology. Moving on to measurement, the first of our measurement zones is the Vici zone, and in this area we've got a Prima 614 and a Techno 306. These are shaft measuring machines, so perfect for measuring any turned or ground components. And we've also got 2 of our Metrios systems. We've got the Metrios and the Metrios Cross. We've got our famous leaderboard here with our Metrios Challenge, so people are coming in and enjoying a go on that system live here today. We've also got here in the OGP area, this is our true multi-sensor technology. So we've got the system like the SP, which has got laser, optics and also touch probe on there, as well as the brand new Fusion 400, which has got a large field of view, collecting many data points on there, also with a deployable touch probe and a laser on there as well. First time in the UK then for the shape grabber. This is scanning technology, which we've actually got a robot arm now loading those parts onto there. And this is a true measurement scanning technology here, which is taking millions of data points on that part there. So anybody who's looking for shop floor measurement via a scanning technology, this is absolutely perfect for that. In our final zone then, we've got Zoller. And obviously Zoller are famous for our quality presetting systems. We've got the Smile 420 here and also the Smile Basic. But also we've brought along our tool management and our tool management software for you to take a look at as well. For anybody using shrink tooling, we've also got the power shrink system in the back there. And finally, we end up on our tool inspection. We've got a range of tool inspection systems, but this is a fantastic machine here, the Genius system as well. So I hope you enjoyed the walk around our stand. If you're interested in any of the technologies you see from Car Fulham Group, then please do get in touch.